Environ firmly believes that for any biological aeration system, apart from oxygen transfer aspects, mixing criteria is equally important. Environ has designed and developed the different impellers to be installed in the different aeration tanks with the different depths. The reason is every impeller has its own zone of influence and has its own limitation to cater the mixing criteria beyond particular depth of the aeration system. At our facility, we are continuously carrying out R&D activity for improvement of oxygen transfer rate of aerators along with the mixing efficiency at different depths of aeration tank, and have succeeded and achieved the required BOD and COD reductions with nearly zero settlement of bacterial mass at the bottom of the aeration tanks up to 4.5 meter side water depth, and are working on the R&D for achieving the results in aeration tanks having the depths up to 6 meters side water depth. Major successful installations of Dombivli MIDC CETP, Vapi's GIDC CETP, Reliance etc. having aeration tank of 4.5 meter side water depths, and presently carrying out R&D activities to achieve the optimal results for aeration tank having 6 to 6.5 meter side water depth, due to which, apart from getting good results of BOD and COD reduction along with a good mixing, the space required for the tank can be reduced, hence saving in capital investment. We have achieved the milestone for the first time in India of designing, developing, manufacturing, testing and successful commissioning of 4 numbers of 100 HP aerators for Messrs Aurobindo Pharma for their Vizag plant, and have carried out successfully the oxygen transfer test for 1 number of 100 HP aerator in our in-house testing facility, and achieved the oxygen transfer rate of 2.24 kg of O2 per HP per hour on 20th September 2002.